Hi, my name's Katie and I'm a travel agent. I specialize in Universal and Disney vacations, and today I'm here on property at Universal Orlando, a Cabana Bay beach resort. I'm here to give you a room tour of a poolside family suite. This room sleeps 6 people. This particular room is room number 2326. And again, it is a poolside exterior entry family suite. So let's get into all details of this room. First, let's take a look at a map of the resort. The very middle of the map there is where you'll find the main lobby, the front desk, and where the buses to the theme parks drop off. All the way to the left of the map is where the entrance to Volcano Bay Water Park is. You walk right into the water park from the left of that map. All the way to the right side of the map is the Thunderbird building, and that is where this room is located. If you are getting an exterior entry poolside family suite, you are going to be on the right side of the hotel here in the Starlight, Thunderbird, or Castaway buildings. It can be about a 5-minute walk from the main lobby to the Thunderbird building, and between the Thunderbird building and Castaway building is the path to the theme parks, so you are closest to the theme park path on this side of the resort, which is a big plus. Each of the buildings do have elevators as well as ground level rooms. Here is a look at the pool that you will be surrounding in the poolside family suites with exterior entry. Lots of beach chairs, a sizable pool, there's a splash pad for kids, there's also a water slide, and there is a bar/snack stand. There is a second pool on the other side of the resort that you will have access to that also has a lazy river. Here's a look at those exterior entry open air hallways. Okay, let's get into all the details of this room. So first of all, it is exterior entry. As you can see, open air hallways. We've got the door, double locks. There is an option to have a connecting suite here. And then you walk in to the kitchenette. Plenty of shelves here. So you have a sink, ice bucket. Here is the coffee situation. And then we have this fridge here. This is a significant sized mini fridge. Definitely bigger and better than what you're typically getting at a hotel. Trash can and a little storage there. Microwave, shelves. There is some paper plates and bowls. Standard microwave. Then you have this little counter area here. 2 bar stools. And you've got some plugs there. So that might be a nice area to get some work done even, if you need a desk. And we pivot, and here is the living room. So let's take a look at the view. So we've got blackout curtains and sheer curtains. This is the only window in this room, but it is quite large. Now this is a poolside room. You can see the pool there, and you can even see the top of the Volcano Bay volcano. That's Aventura, that tower. So that's what you can see. Flipping back around. So we've got a phone, paper and pen, remote for the TV in here. There's 2 TVs in this room. Lamp. We've got 2 comfy chairs. And then you have a sofa. As you can tell, the theming of this resort is 50s beachside motel, which is like a lot of things, but it's cute, and they've definitely gone in to the detail, especially for something that is a value resort at this price point, for it to have these sorts of touches is really nice. You've got these 2 tables. These are actually separate, so you can move these around. So that's nice if you're eating on the couch or something like that. This couch does pull out into a double bed. That's how you're sleeping 6 in this room. And then there is a TV here. And we've got a dresser, 2 drawers, in here. So you've got some storage in this area as well. And now here is the dividing wall. Now this closes. And this looks like it's a screen, but it's not, it's hard plastic. So if you have both TVs going, if you have someone taking a nap, you're really getting some sound separation there. We do have a thermostat here. And then the restroom. So this is split into 3 pieces, which is really nice if you have 6 people in this room. So you've got one room with just the toilet there. We've got one sink here, the mirror, storage. Got a hairdryer, some towels. There's some little storage here. That's nice. Then over here, we've got a full-length mirror on the door. And traditional doors, both of these. Then we got a second sink in here and a second sink mirror, which is nice. And then you have a tub, shower with shower curtain. Shower head, we've got a clothesline here, dry your beached stuff or your pool stuff. And then you have some cute amenities. I like that they even have like some old school with the VO5 and the Zest. That's fun. And pivot back around. All right, now we have the main bedroom area. So this is 2 queen beds. So again, this closes. We've got 2 more drawers on this side. That's nice. And then we've got 4 pillows. And these lights you can turn off each individually. And if you just wanted like a little light to read by, you can do just the top. Got those on all 4 sides of the bed. Then you have this dresser in the middle with a drawer and a cubby here for storage. No USB plugs, but you do have 4 plugs here. Phone, another pen and pad, remote, old school alarm clock, some sanitizer there. I will note there are no plugs on, oh, there is. There's a plug on this side. There's not a plug on the other side. That is the bedroom. And then you have another TV in here, which is very nice. So you can have parents watching TV, kids watching TV out there, watch different things. Then we have a pretty sizable closet space. You could fit a lot of your suitcases and stuff in the bottom there. Luggage rack, ironing board. Around here, we've got some extra blankets. Yeah, it's a blanket. I thought maybe it was a robe for a second. It's a blanket. And some hangers, and you've got a wall safe here, which is nice. And again here, bedroom, bathroom, sitting area, pool view, and kitchenette. So I would say this is a lot of space. You could do 6 people in here. It would be tight, but you would not be like wanting to die. More than spacious enough for 4 people or less. If you're interested in more information about this hotel, I have a whole hotel tour that I've linked here. I also have other room tours that I have linked here, and a whole playlist of Universal Orlando videos that I have also linked. Right now, let's hear from future me about how I felt staying in this room. I really enjoyed staying in this room. From the Thunderbird building, I could get to the main lobby, dining, and buses with not that much of a walk, 5 to 7 minutes, and I was right next to the path to get to the theme parks, which was great. Right next to the pool, that was also very convenient. The room itself, I thought, was great. I loved having a microwave and a little bit bigger of a mini fridge. I really liked having that counter and sink area, liked all of that. Having a separate sitting area and bedroom area was very nice. I thought the amount of space in this room was great, particularly with just 2 adults. And I think you would be absolutely fine with 4 people. And fitting 6, which is the max that can sleep in this room, I think you'll be okay. It's going to be a tighter squeeze, but you're going to be okay. I enjoy the split bathroom for ease of multiple people getting ready, and there was a lot of storage space in the closet. My only complaint about this room is that the remotes would control both TVs. So if you turn the TV on in one room, it would sometimes turn the TV on in both rooms. That was a little annoying, but could have been a one-off with our particular remote. Being a poolside room, it could get a little bit loud during the day, so if that's a concern, get a family suite that is not poolside, and there you go. A great room for families, a great room for those looking to get a little bit more space while on a budget, and a great room for adult travelers who are in a bigger group and want to be more budget conscious, all stay in the same room without being completely on top of each other. And that is all the details about this exterior entry family suite at Cabana Bay Beach Resort at Universal Orlando. If you'd like to stay here at any Universal resort or anywhere, I'd love to be your travel agent. You can contact me at the information on your screen. Working with me is completely free of charge. I hope you found this video helpful as you plan your Orlando vacation. Please like and subscribe and have a fantastic vacation.